would like to start by saying congratulations to the beautiful couple. Sharan is one of the most loving, caring and kind people I have ever met. She's beautiful inside and out, and I'm honoured to call her my sister.
Sharan Kevin has the biggest heart. He is trustworthy, caring and loyal. And ladies and gentlemen, today I can see my best friend Kevin, how happy he is. He has found someone today that means more to him than anyone else in the world.
And now these three remain: faith, hope and love. But the greatest of these is love. Now fate has definitely brought you two together, and I'm excited for your future. Life may have its ups and downs, however, with love as great as yours, I'm sure you can conquer anything.
Completely took my breath away while walking down the aisle today. I love you with all my heart and I've been looking forward to marrying you now for a very, very long time. Some of you will know that I met Sharan at school, and to marry my soulmate and best mate is truly a blessing. So I just want to give God thanks for allowing this special day to happen. I stand here an incredibly proud husband to see the woman you have become today, and I promise to bring you joy and happiness every day of your life.